Well guys, I know there's a few of you that like the bike content, so in this video we are going to be working on my 1997, I believe. I feel like it says in some random spot. Oh, it's somewhere, it's like 23 years old, so, yeah, it's really not, it's a project, it definitely is. It's got a new chain, it's a diamondback chain, it just has one-piece cranks. I really don't know why this bike has one-piece cranks, I really don't know. It's got a Haro rear wheel, so it's pretty thick. And then it does have a, I believe this is a replacement wheel up front. Original tires, which for now they still have a little bit of life left in them. They have quite a bit of PSI in them. I don't know where my PSI thing is somewhere. Spare chain. They should be at a pretty high PSI because it's what I like it. Here somewhere. Okay, where is my arm? This always happens. I also need to find my freaking dad's impact gun. Well, it's not an impact, it's just an impact drill. Somewhere, it's probably right here somewhere. Because I was helping set up the table up there. Tommy wasn't here, otherwise he would have done it. And I used his impact gun. But now I don't know where the freaking thing is. Anyway. Nope. Well. Okay, got ever since my brakes started working again, I guess. My rear tires actually went down in tread a little bit. The front one, you can definitely tell a difference. But I don't know the impact. Maybe after I used that impact gun, my dad was here, so like maybe he used it. Maybe it's still up there. Did I leave it up there? No, I don't know. I'll look for it somewhere. So today we are going to be sorry about this. Oh, that's cool. I was actually able to loosen that without having to hold the other one in place. So this bike is very old. It has quite a bit of rust that I need to take care of. Like there's some random surface rust on this thing. Like right there. It's all over. There's some right there. This darn stool is so bad. It does have some thick nuts. Oh my god, mosquitoes. Maybe once I start painting though, kinda not like the smell. I was gonna paint these, but I kind of just want to leave them a plain look. And just push this forward. Take the chain off. My nice new chain. So guys, I just hate it when the chain gets all tangled up, and then you're gonna have to worry about it when you go to put it back on. So I'm just trying to get it untangled since I'll get back to you guys. Well guys, I am finally getting some work done on the DK project. I'm cleaning up the wheels to paint them. I have this pretty blue color that I used on a different bike and it looked cool, so I'm gonna use it. Yeah, the silver paint that was on here literally just came right off. Those silver paint on this. You can see, like, I can't get a good angle on all of it, but yeah, it, like, literally just comes right off in most spots. Yeah, that's the only spot I wasn't able to get anything off. So yeah, this is not the original DK wheel. The rear one isn't either. That is a Haro rim. I know the wheels, the bearings aren't the best, but they're not the worst either. And it kind of just spins like, it spins nicely. And this wheel is really good. This one was painted silver too, so I don't know how if that one's gonna be easier to take on. But yeah, this is the Haro rear wheel. It needs to be cleaned off before. Anything. Alright, now that one is cleaned, I'll get it over here. Start getting to work on the rear wheel. So that's what the paper towels look like after. I used one paper towel on that wheel. That's what it looks like. Spray this down. I'm using some Oxygen Orange from Dollar Tree, but works pretty good cleaning inside the house, so I figured it would be okay to use. Here, you can see it's already taking off a bunch of brake dust. Spraying it down really good. The reason I like this stuff so much is it has lots of suds in it. All the suds that eat away at the dirt and grime. And if it looks like this wheel was painted, but they look ugly. So time to go bye-bye. The DK is getting new handlebars. I have not even ordered them yet, unfortunately. I'm getting 4-piece bars for it. Now, if you don't know what 4-piece bars are, they're bars that are welded into 4 pieces welded together. I think they look really nice, and I think they'll look, yeah, see, this was painted too, look at that. I think they'll look really nice on this bike. Either I'm getting those, or my friend actually has some DK handlebars that he's not using on his DK because he has red line handlebars on it. He said he would be willing to sell them to me. So that's another option. option. But yeah, I was never gonna paint over the brake dust. Since the brake pad's on this, I don't know, like 20 years old. I mean, the bike's 20 years old, and as far as I know, they were never replaced. Yeah, look how easy that paint just comes right off. It must have just been really cheap paint. It's not coming off as easy as the front one did. Maybe it's because I'm, I'll get back to you.